I recently had the pleasure of doing a driving tour of Big Bend National Park. Blaze is not allowed on trail there, so I spent an entire day exploring the area. Upon our departure, we drove through our first dust storm. And within the following week, we went through 2 more dust storms. So it is time to clean the drawer slides on the sliding solar panel. While I was recording my van tour video, I noticed that the sliding solar panel was struggling to go in and out. I could hear the dirt and grime in the tracks. It sounded like all of the original grease was completely gone. Then it dawned on me that I had traveled through 3 dust storms, one of which was an all-day experience. To complete this project, I purchased a Vevor telescoping ladder. I'll put an Amazon affiliate link down in the description. If you purchase anything, I'll get a small cut, which helps the channel out greatly. Also, I bought a spray can of multi-surface cleaner from Lowe's and a spray can of White Lithium Grease from O'Reilly's. I extended the solar panel so that I could easily get to the top and bottom of the panel itself, as well as the interior of the U-channel mounting frame where the drawer slide is attached. Then I used a rag that I had on hand to wipe down all of the surfaces before applying either spray. I wanted to make sure that I removed as much dust and dirt as I possibly could while paying close attention to the top, the bottom, the exterior, and interior of the drawer slides. Oh my gosh, thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I greatly appreciate your support. I imagine, as dry and dusty as it is out west, that I will have to repeat this project, hopefully only once or twice a year, but it could be more. And unfortunately, the drawer slides are not enclosed, so the bearings are exposed to the elements as well as just the motion of driving down these dusty, dirty Forest Service and National Park roads, which puts some strain and, grime on the slides. So if you followed the installation video and you're doing that, you will most likely have to do this maintenance as well. If anyone knows of an enclosed drawer slide that will not be heavily impacted by the elements, I would highly recommend using one of those instead. This task took about an hour, maybe. It would probably go faster next time now that I understand the process, but I think it was well worth it. The slide works great now. It doesn't feel like it's struggling anymore, which is amazing because without this, my power is substantially less and I need to recharge more frequently when that is not extended continuously throughout the day, day after day. So if you missed the sliding solar panel installation video, you can check it out here. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Well, please stay.